Welcome to JD's English Club. First sentence. ମୋତେ ଲାଗୁଛି ତୁମେ ଠିକ୍. I think you are right. I think you are right. ମୁଁ ଜାଣେ ତୁମର କହିବାର ମାନେ କ'ଣ. I know what you mean. I know what you mean. ଆପଣ ତାଙ୍କୁ ନିମନ୍ତ୍ରଣ କରିଥିଲେ କି? Did you invite him? Did you invite him? ମୁଁ ତୁମ ସହିତ କଥା ହୋଇପାରେ କି? May I speak to you? May I speak to you? ତୁମେ କ'ଣ କରୁଛ? What are you doing? What are you doing? ତୁମେ କେଉଁଠିକାର? Where are you from? Where are you from? ତୁମେ କାହିଁକି କାନ୍ଦୁଛ? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? ତୁମେ ମୋତେ ଶିଖାଇବ କି? Would you teach me? Would you teach me? ଆପଣ ଏହା ଜାଣିବା ଉଚିତ. You should know it. You should know it. ଆପଣ ଯିବାକୁ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ କି? Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? ଆପଣ ଏହାର ଉତ୍ତର ଦେଇପାରିବେ କି? Can you answer this? Can you answer this? ଆପଣ କେବେ ଛାଡ଼ିବେ? When will you leave? When will you leave? ତୁମେ କୁଆଡ଼େ ଯାଉଛ? Where are you going? Where are you going? ତୁମେ ଆମ ସହିତ ଯିବ କି? Will you go with us? Will you go with us? ତୁମର ସଙ୍ଗେ ସଙ୍ଗେ ଯିବା ଉଚିତ. You must go at once. You must go at once. ଆପଣ ପହଁରିବାରେ ସକ୍ଷମ କି? Are you able to swim? Are you able to swim? ଆଜି ରାତିରେ ତୁମେ ଫାଙ୍କା କି? Are you free tonight? Are you free tonight? ତୁମେ ଭାବୁଛ ମୁଁ ମିଛ କହୁଛି? Do you think I am lying? Do you think I am lying? ମୁଁ ତୁମ ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ଟ୍ୟାକ୍ସି ଡାକିବି. I'll call you a taxi. I'll call you a taxi. ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଗୋଟେ ମିନିଟ୍ ଅଛି କି? Do you have a minute? Do you have a minute? ଆଜି ତୁମେ ଶେତା ଦେଖାଯାଉଛ. You look pale today. You look pale today. ପାଣି ଗରମ କରିଦିଅ. Heat the water. Heat the water. ମୋ ବିଷୟରେ ଚିନ୍ତା କର ନାହିଁ. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me. ସେମାନେ ସମସ୍ତେ ସମାନ କି? Are they all the same? Are they all the same? ଆପଣ ଗୀତ ଗାଇବାରେ ସକ୍ଷମ କି? Are you able to sing? Are you able to sing? ଆପଣ ଅନ୍ଧାରକୁ ଭୟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି କି? Are you afraid of the dark? Are you afraid of the dark? ତୁମେ ଠିକ୍ ହେଇଯିବ. You are going to be okay. You are going to be okay. तुमे तुम घरे खुशी की? Are you happy in your house? Are you happy in your house? तुमे जल्दी रे अछ की? Are you in a hurry? Are you in a hurry? तुमरो सफलता पाई तुमे गर्वित की? Are you proud of your success? Are you proud of your success? आपण बाहर को जीवा को प्रस्तुत की? Are you ready to go out? Are you ready to go out? आपण आपण का उत्तर विषय रे निश्चिंत की? Are you sure of your answer? Are you sure of your answer? मु ताहा देखि परिबि की? Can I see that one? Can I see that one? मु टीवी बंद करि परिबि की? Can I turn off the TV? Can I turn off the TV? मु टीवी चालू करि परिबि की? Can I turn on the TV? Can I turn on the TV? आमे एकांतरे कथा होई परिबा की? Can we talk in private? Can we talk in private? तुमे मते आगरु देई परिबो की? एठे में पैसा दवा विषय कहूचे. Can you pay me in advance? Can you pay me in advance? आपण पियानो बजाई परिबे की? Can you play the piano? Can you play the piano? मु चेक पाई परिबी की? Could I have the check? Could I have the check? आपण ता पुनरावृत्ति करि परिबे की? Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? से मीरा को देखिबा को जाइथिले की? Did he go to see Mira? Did he go to see Mira? से तुमको प्रस्ताव देइथिले की? Did he propose to you? Did he propose to you? तुमे काम शेष कर देला की? Did you finish the job? Did you finish the job? तुमे सही फिल्म पसंद कल की? Did you like the movie? Did you like the movie? आपण खेल देखिचंती की? Did you watch the game? Did you watch the game? मते पढ़िबा को पड़िबो की? Do I have to study? Do I have to study? आपणकर समय अछि की? Do you have time? Do you have time? आपण एहर कारण जानछंती की? Do you know the reason? Do you know the reason? आपण भ्रमण करबा को पसंद करंती की? Do you like to travel? Do you like to travel? आपण धनी हेबा को चाहुचंती की? Do you want to be rich? Do you want to be rich? That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video if you find it helpful. Please check other videos also and share this video with your friends and relatives and support our channel. Thank you.